their path. On the window and the roof, splash, splash. We put on boots and a bright yellow hat, and splash in puddles with a happy chat. The clouds are gray, the sky is wet, but there's fun in every drop we get. Umbrellas twirl in a colorful dance while we jump in puddles, taking a chance. The rain makes the flowers feel so grand, with water droplets on each petal and leaves so bland. The air is fresh, the world's a song. On this rainy day we all belong. So let's embrace the rain with a cheer. Splash and play, there's nothing to fear. In every shower there's a chance to play. On a rainy day, it's a happy day.